Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now I'm going to discuss about a survey of ransomware detection methods. First, I'm going to discuss about the overview of the project. In this project, implements a machine learning pipeline designed to detect and classify ransomware attacks using two different models. Boost classifier, which is an ensemble learning method, and a deep neural network built with TensorFlow and Keras. The pipeline starts by reading data from a CSV file. It then processes the data by handling and any missing values and encoding categorical values so they can be used in the models. Text features are pre-processed using TF and IDF vectorization, which converts text into numerical data. These text features are combined with other non-text features for training models. Next, feature selection is applied using select K best to choose the most relevant features, improving model performance. Then the data set is split into training and testing set. First, the Boost model is trained and evaluated. Following that, a deep neural network with multiple layers, patch normalization, and dropout techniques is trained to prevent overfitting. Both models are evaluated using several performance metrics, including accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and false positive rate. Finally, the trained model and that evaluation metrics are saved for future use. A comparison graph is generated to visualize and compare the performance of both models. This is our abstract of our project. This is our workflow diagram. First, we need to collect the data set from Kaggle and carry out to the pre-processing step, check the missing values and label encoding, and carry out the data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test, and carry out to the feature selection. I used select K best method and carry out to the classification. I used Boost model and deep neural network model and carry out to the performance metrics. I evaluated accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and false positive rate, and finally predicted. Now, see our demo of our project. This is the registered page of the project. The user needs to enter the username, password. All fields are required and checked before submission. After successfully registered, the data stored in the database. The user already registered the page, directly going to the login page. Must enter the username and password. This helps keep the system secure and prevents unauthorized access. Click login. The user comes to this page. This is our home page. Go to workflow. First, we need to collect the data set. Click browse file. Select our data set. Open. Display our sample data set. And the next step is pre-processing. Check the missing values and the label encoding. Click data exploration. No missing values are detected. And next step is data pre-processing. Click Label encoded the sample dataset, and that data splitting, the whole dataset split, train and test. And the next step is feature selection. Click feature selection, predict the original features and the selected features. And the next step is classification. I used two model, AdaBoost model and a deep neural network model. Click model training. Two model are trained. And the next step is performance metrics. Calculate the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and a false positive rate are displayed two algorithm models. And this is our accuracy comparison graph. And click prediction. This is our prediction page. And this is the attributes of our data set. Click choose model. Click predict, and finally predicted. Click logout. It redirect to the login page. This is our project.